Hi everybody, thank you for watching this video. We already created some English vocabulary for you.
So now I have some set of the new words. So I'm like to recommend everyone to practice these words in in daily communication, so that it will be useful for you to develop your communication skill. Uh, Before go to that one, please subscribe this channel so that it will be useful for us to give more and more about the uh, videos. So thank you so much, and we'll go for that. Before go that, we have the course in front of you. A different language is a different version of life. Yes, it, when you're learning a new language, you can see different things from that language. So English also is like that. So we'll go for the vocabulary words. First, it's exploit.
exploit, exploit,
Exploit is making full use or derive their benefit from. That is, exploit is making use of the way considered fair or underhand. That is, exploit means you are boldly doing something of what you are known. And in Tamil, we can say Surada Padagindrarkal. So that is exploit. And next new word is so
stewardship, stewardship,
stewardship.
stewardship,
Stewardship. Stewardship is a job of supervising or taking care of something such as organized or property. So supervising the job, someone who supervising the job, yeah, for that it will be the words how to form is the funding and the stewardship of the NHS. So in Tamil it will be varisical. So if someone was something is going to next generation, so that it will be come under the uh, stewardship. So that is thing. Next is reap. Reap. Reap is a cut or gathering or harvesting the crop. So reap is a harvesting the crop. So piece of the land. So that is how that is a word we can use, reap.
reap, reap,
R- Reap.
reap,
In Tamil, Arvadai. So now we can go with next one.
nudge, nudge,
Notched.
nudge,
Notch. I'm going pronunciation. See,
nudge,
notch.
nudge,
Notch. A notch is the product generally with one's elbow in order to attack the attention, or touch or pull generally for the gradually. So notch is a touch or pull something generally. So if you want to know how to make it a word, the people were nudging each other and pointing at me. Nudging. The people were nudging each other. It means they pull and pushing generally from each other and pointing at me. So that is a
nudge,
notch. In Tamil, it is tundal. Tundal. So next word is
penance, penance,
Penance. Penance.
penance,
Penance. What is meant by penance?
penance,
The punishment inflicted on oneself as an outward expression of repentance or for wrongdoing. So, or scarment in which member of the church conference sins to priest and give the absolutely. So, in regional wise, if you go for the meaning, it's a getting we are sacrament in which the member of church to get the sins, we are getting the sins from the priestess. So how the words you can use is, he had done a public penance for those asti words.
penance,
Penance. So he had done the public penance for those asterisk words. So in Tamil it will be davam. So next word is
merely, merely,
merely. Merely means is just or only. A gray is a silent word and merely noted. So just if you want the
merely,
just or only, that for that case we can use merely. In Tamil it will be verumanave, verumane. And next is no,
nor, nor,
no. Using before the second or future of the two or three alternative to indicate that there is a each untruth or each doesn't happen. In simple words, you can say than, or you can say used to introduce a future negative statement. That is, if one or two options is there, then that time you can use not. So in Tamil, it is alladu. So today we have some simple words which is used for a daily communication or while writing an email to someone. Yes, you can use it that. Just for knowing this type of words, if you use in a frequency manner, it will be helpful for you to improve your skill, and it will be good to showcase that yeah, we your standard is going in next level to next level. So I'm thank you once again, I'm thank you for your watching this video. Just note it down this vocabularies, and just if you have any doubt on any, you want any theme or you want any specialized vocabularies means, let me know in the comments so that I can give some of the more important more thing related on that. So thank you to watching this video. Have a nice day. We'll see in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.